Hi friends, this is Sergio Lujan, and I'm really excited about how on a monthly basis from now through the end of the year, here in 2022, how I'll be sharing with you and your maybe friends and family the state of the economy. Because you see the news and social media can really blow things out of proportion. And people are looking for really sound advice, sound input, sound insight to the things that are moving the market. Whether you're buying or you're selling, people have questions. So I'm offering my skill, my background on a monthly basis where I'll be doing these educational type classes. Some will be in virtual, some will be by Zoom, and some will even be in person as things get moving along and we create more interest. So thank you for watching this, and I hope that you can make it, and please spread this around, whether by email or social media, to your friends and family so that we can spread the word and provide sound advice. Thanks again, and you just go down below and click on that video link, Zoom link, and you'll be able to gain access and register. I will tell you this, please opt to show, don't come in dark. We need to see who you are, and we're going to ask you to register ahead. So thanks again, and have a good day.